Hi, I'm Susan, and I want to welcome you to Creative Bible Journaling's community. I would like to take this opportunity to show you all the different activities that we have and how you can get to them easily. So stay tuned, there's more to come. Hi, this is Susan with Creative Bible Journaling, and I want to take a few moments to show you how to navigate our site so you can find all the activities and know where to post. Now, when you go to facebook.com and either search for us or put in our URL right there, you will get to this discussion page here that has the big logo on it here. And the discussion page is where you can write your post and look through all the posts that have been posted. You just scroll right down and you see whatever happens to be there. And we store our activities in the unit section. If you're on a computer, that means that it's right here in this left sidebar. You're going to be clicking on these things in the left sidebar. If you are on a cell phone, it will be across your screen. So I'm going to click on units here, and you will see the first thing that we have is the intro information. And this is what we would like all of our members to go through once. And then the second unit is keys to posting, and this will help you find out where to post and how to post, just like I'm showing you right now. And then we have the activity units. You can think of them like chapters in a book. Or for instance, with the Lettering Lodge, the font for this week is called Gladness. This is ran by Anne and Debbie, and they put the other lessons for the week right below this. That is their Monday lesson there with the word, and then their Tuesday lesson is there with the alphabet. And so you can find all of the activities right here in the units. Now, where do you go to post your work after you complete it from the units? Well, we go to albums. And if you are on a computer, that means that you need to click on photos right there in the left sidebar, and double clicking on the photos will get you to photos, albums, and videos, all three of those. So yes, you click on albums, and then that will take you to the album covers that we're currently using. Each month we redo it, and so you can see that each of our activities has their own album. And so if you wanted to see, for instance, the drawing room and what they've been doing in the drawing room, you can see right here all of the different drawings. And then to add your own, you go to Add Photos right here and follow the directions, including making sure that you hit that comment button after the description button. You hit comments, and you can copy and paste if you want. But that's what gets it in the main feed. So there's a two-step process to get your pictures in the main feed. So I hope this has helped you learn how to navigate through our Facebook site as well as the website. We hope you enjoyed watching this video, and now you can find us on our website, Facebook group, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube.